Hi there, this is Fixed It. With the acute shortage of masks and the increase in deaths and number of coronavirus Covid19 cases in the UK, it's important that you make yourself and you wear a visor when you're going out. And I've come up with this design, and it's a bit rough and ready and Heath Robinson, as they say. But it's really simple to do, and I'm sure you can knock it together in 5-10 minutes at the most. Here it is. To create this visor, all you need is an old metal coat hanger and a sheet of plastic. In this case it's a sheet of acetate. And the way you do it is you take the coat hanger and you just squash the ends down, and then what you do is you take a ruler and you measure 12 centimeters from the end to a point on the metal, and then what you want to do is you want to bend it down at that point, at the 12 centimeter point, and then on the other side you want to do exactly the same. So you get to the 12 centimeter point and you bend it down. Now shape this frame and place it on your head, and you'll pull it open and just keep pulling it gently at the side, at the front side, until such time as it's comfortable and it's on you. And if you look at the back, you'll see that that's where the hanger is. Okay, and then what you basically have then is you have a frame that you can attach some acetate to the front. Now you can adjust it at any stage just by taking it off and pulling it into a different shape until it's comfortable. Put the back thing at the back, and then just make sure, and if it gets too loose then just squash it back together again, okay, and then pull it apart, and you can just keep playing around with it, okay. And as you can see, it now goes on there. Just to show how effective it is, if you take the sheet of acetate, you can see this is now holding that completely in place. If you want to make it more comfortable, what you can do is put something on your forehead and then push these edges round, push them back until it forms the shape of the front of your head. Okay? And it's that simple. So there you have it. You now have a visor. This one is in page mode, so it won't give much protection at the sides. And then once you've got that done, what you then do is you can sellotape the plastic of the visor onto the front like that, with just literally a couple of pieces. And also you can bend the back down just so it's out of the way. The good thing is that you can use it and hang it up. So when you're not using it, you can hang it up so it can air off, spray it with some Detox. Okay, and when you want to put it on, all you do is you put the back on first and then pull the front on forward, and then just make sure the edges are tucked in like that, and there you have a face visor. Okay, it's really that simple. It only takes a few seconds. Obviously doing this bit is a bit fiddly, but you can really just keep moulding it until such time as you get the front of it to be roughly the shape of your forehead, so you can kind of bend it around until such time as it fits, and likewise on the back, and then just fasten the tape to it. And then when you want to use it, literally just take it out. And what this is doing is it's giving me protection at the edges, and it's also giving me protection at the front. Okay, so like that. And also if I wanted, I could always tape these little corners over here down like that, which would actually pull the mask in right close to my chin so nothing can get in underneath. It's that simple, so anybody can make a visor. And even though it looks a bit weird, if you were to put a hat on, you really wouldn't notice it that much, or a scarf over your head. But the main thing is the protection it gives by holding this film in place. That's not coming off, okay? And basically if I then get any spray from anybody, it's not going in my eyes and my nose and my mouth, and in fact if I've got a mask on underneath, it's giving me even extra protection for the mask. So it's that simple. All you need is an old wire coat hanger and a piece of plastic. As I say, this is a piece of A4 acetate, but it could easily be a clear piece of plastic that you've got lying around. Anyway, I just wanted to try and find a way of creating a quick visor for people. It's warm here, which is why I'm just wearing a singlet. I wanted to find a way where the people who don't have the money to spend £15-20 on a mask plus shipping, which may not come for another 4 to 6 weeks, and even though a lot of people aren't taking it that seriously, a visor will really do an awful lot to protect you even if you don't have a mask. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.